DeepSeek AI emerged as a force that would redefine artificial intelligence as we know it. In a world where AI dominance was controlled by a few tech giants, a new player stepped onto the field, challenging the status quo and igniting a revolution. DeepSeek AI was not just another AI model, it was a bold statement, an innovation designed to shatter the barriers of high cost, closed door AI development. From the moment it was introduced, it carried the promise of something greater: powerful intelligence, open access, and limitless potential. The vision behind DeepSeek AI was nothing short of extraordinary. Unlike the multi-million-dollar projects of industry titans like OpenAI and Google, DeepSeek AI proved that brilliance doesn't require infinite resources. It requires the right approach. With strategic precision, its developers focused on maximizing efficiency while minimizing computational costs, unlocking a future where AI could be developed, used, and improved upon by a global community rather than being locked away behind corporate firewalls. But what truly set DeepSeek apart was not just its technical genius, it was the timing. The world was already witnessing an AI explosion, with machine learning models becoming more powerful by the day. Yet, there was a problem. Most of these models were closed source, heavily restricted, and accessible only to those who could afford the exorbitant costs. DeepSeek changed that in an instant. With the release of DeepSeek R1, the AI community was handed something extraordinary: a fully functional, highly capable, open source AI model that could challenge the very best without requiring billions of dollars in infrastructure. This was not just another AI breakthrough. This was a shift in power. Researchers, developers, and tech enthusiasts who had been limited by financial constraints could now access cutting-edge AI without restrictions. DeepSeek had given the world a key to intelligence, opening doors that had long been closed. The excitement was undeniable. The industry knew that something massive had just begun, and there was no going back. The future of AI had arrived, not with a whisper, but with a thunderous declaration. DeepSeek AI was not just about open access. It was about redefining what AI could achieve. The release of DeepSeek R1 sent shockwaves through the AI community. Developers and researchers who had once been at the mercy of high-cost proprietary models now had something powerful at their fingertips. The excitement was electric. Discussions erupted across forums, research labs, and tech hubs worldwide. How did a relatively new player manage to challenge the biggest AI corporations? What made DeepSeek AI so special? The answer lay in its brilliantly optimized architecture. Unlike traditional AI models that demanded vast amounts of computational power, DeepSeek AI was designed with efficiency at its core. It utilized an advanced mixture of transformer-based architecture, optimized tokenization, and enhanced training strategies that made it lightweight yet incredibly powerful. While other AI models required supercomputers and endless resources, DeepSeek AI could achieve exceptional results with a fraction of the cost. This changed everything. Independent developers, startups, and research institutions that had been sidelined due to financial limitations suddenly had access to state-of-the-art AI. The playing field was being leveled. But the true magic of DeepSeek AI wasn't just in its performance, it was in its adaptability. It wasn't locked into a rigid framework or restricted to specific applications. Whether it was natural language processing, code generation, scientific research, or real-time problem solving, DeepSeek AI adapted effortlessly. It was fast, responsive, and capable of learning at an incredible pace. This level of versatility made it a game changer in multiple industries. From healthcare and education to automation and creative fields, the possibilities were limitless. Businesses could integrate AI solutions without exorbitant costs, students could use it as a powerful learning tool, and researchers could push the boundaries of innovation without constraints. DeepSeek AI was more than just another AI model. It was a beacon of change, a powerful force that was shifting the balance of technological advancement. The message was clear: AI was no longer a luxury reserved for a select few. With DeepSeek AI, the future of artificial intelligence had been placed in the hands of the world. DeepSeek AI's impact extended far beyond just accessibility and performance. It represented a profound shift in how artificial intelligence was developed, shared, and utilized. The traditional AI landscape had been dominated by secrecy, closed source models, expensive licensing fees, and strict corporate control. But DeepSeek AI introduced a radical new philosophy. Intelligence should be open, collaborative, and constantly evolving. This idea resonated across industries, sparking an unstoppable wave of innovation. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of DeepSeek AI was its community-driven approach. Unlike proprietary AI models that restricted user modifications, DeepSeek encouraged developers, researchers, and enthusiasts to improve upon its architecture, fine-tune its capabilities, and apply it to a diverse range of real-world problems. The result was an explosion of experimentation. Engineers integrated it into robotics, analysts optimized it for data-driven decision-making, and creators harnessed its capabilities for music, art, and storytelling. DeepSeek AI was proving that artificial intelligence was no longer just a tool. It was a creative partner, a problem solver, and a limitless source of potential. As industries embraced this newfound freedom, the AI revolution accelerated. Businesses, once hesitant about AI due to cost and complexity, now had a powerful yet cost-effective alternative. Startups leveraged DeepSeek AI to disrupt markets. Healthcare professionals used it to enhance diagnostics, and cybersecurity experts trained it to detect threats with unparalleled precision. The education sector saw a transformation as AI-powered tutoring and interactive learning became more personalized and accessible. Every day, new breakthroughs emerged, each one proving that the true power of AI wasn't just in the technology itself, it was in the people who used it. DeepSeek AI was no longer just competing with the AI giants, it was leading a movement toward a future where artificial intelligence was no longer an exclusive privilege, but a universal right. It wasn't just about challenging the dominance of closed-source AI. It was about building a smarter, more connected world where knowledge, innovation, and technology were truly limitless. The AI revolution had begun, and there was no turning back. DeepSeek AI was no longer just an innovation. It was a force reshaping the very foundation of artificial intelligence. What once seemed like a distant future was now unfolding in real time as industries, developers, and everyday users embraced the possibilities it offered. But the real magic of DeepSeek AI wasn't just in its groundbreaking technology. It was in the way it was changing the relationship between humans and AI. This wasn't just another machine learning model. It was a catalyst for a new era of intelligence, an era where creativity, efficiency, and automation converged like never before. One of the most electrifying aspects of DeepSeek AI was its ability to learn and evolve at an unprecedented pace. Unlike traditional AI systems that required extensive retraining and updates, DeepSeek adapted in real time. It didn't just process information, it understood context, detected patterns, and anticipated needs. Businesses began integrating it into high-stakes decision-making, allowing companies to forecast market trends with astonishing accuracy. Scientists used it to accelerate research, uncovering insights that would have taken years to find. Even content creators, filmmakers, and musicians leveraged its power to push the boundaries of storytelling and artistic expression. But what truly set DeepSeek AI apart was its ability to empower individuals. It wasn't reserved for tech elites or massive corporations. It was built to be accessible to everyone. Entrepreneurs in remote corners of the world used it to build AI-driven startups. Students with no prior experience in coding trained custom AI models for their projects. Small businesses automated tasks that once drained their resources. This wasn't just technological progress. It was a shift in power, a movement toward a world where intelligence wasn't centralized but shared. Yet, with this power came critical questions. Could AI remain ethical as it continued to evolve? Would it be used for the benefit of humanity, or could it be exploited for control and misinformation? DeepSeek AI's mission was to ensure that intelligence remained a force for good, with transparency, collaboration, and security at its core. As it continued to grow, it wasn't just leading a revolution in artificial intelligence, it was laying the foundation for a future where human ingenuity and machine intelligence worked together in perfect harmony. DeepSeek AI was no longer just a tool. It had become a gateway to the unimaginable, a force redefining the boundaries of human potential. As its capabilities expanded, so did the opportunities and challenges that came with it. The world was standing at the precipice of a new era, one where AI wasn't just assisting humans, it was enhancing them in ways once thought to be science fiction. The very fabric of society was shifting, with AI driven solutions infiltrating every industry, every home, every aspect of life. The education sector saw a transformation unlike any before. DeepSeek AI became a personalized tutor, mentor, and knowledge curator, able to adapt to each student's learning pace, interests, and strengths. Gone were the days of rigid curriculums. Now, students could explore subjects dynamically, guided by AI models that adjusted in real time. It was as if every individual had access to a team of world class educators, customized to their exact needs. Learning was no longer confined to classrooms or textbooks. It was an interactive, immersive experience that reshaped how people absorbed knowledge. In the world of medicine and healthcare, DeepSeek AI was breaking barriers faster than anyone had anticipated. Early disease detection, real time diagnostics, and AI assisted surgeries became commonplace, drastically increasing survival rates and treatment efficiency. Hospitals were no longer bound by geographical limitations. AI powered virtual healthcare provided expert level diagnosis and treatment planning, even in the most remote locations. Patients were empowered with personalized health insights, enabling them to take proactive measures rather than reactive treatments. The dream of a world without preventable diseases was no longer a fantasy. It was within reach. As industries thrived under the guidance of AI, the creative world also flourished. Artists, writers, and musicians collaborated with AI to push the limits of human expression. DeepSeek AI didn't just generate content, it understood emotion, adapted styles, and even sparked inspiration. The fusion of human creativity and artificial intelligence led to groundbreaking art, immersive storytelling, and revolutionary music compositions. It wasn't replacing artists, it was augmenting their abilities, allowing them to bring their wildest ideas to life with precision and speed never seen before. But with such immense power came ethical dilemmas and responsibilities. The fear of AI surpassing human control, deepfake manipulation, and privacy invasions loomed over its advancements. The conversation had shifted from what can AI do to what should AI do? DeepSeek AI's mission was clear: to build a future where AI was a partner, not a ruler. Its transparency, ethical safeguards, and focus on human AI collaboration ensured that progress remained aligned with humanity's best interests. The journey of DeepSeek AI was far from over. It was no longer just about technological advancements. It was about shaping a world where intelligence, both human and artificial, coexisted in perfect synergy. This was the dawn of a new civilization, one where intelligence wasn't just a privilege, but a shared power that uplifted all of humanity. The question was no longer whether AI would change the world. It was how we would shape that change together.